Okay, so we're on page 302, correct? 302? Okay. Okay, so page 302. This has to do with these vocab words. We got reform, paragraph, biography, formation, and autograph. So bio, you guys probably learned this, right, in science. Bio means what? Life. Re means to do something again. Auto means self. Good. So like an automatic car or an automatic transmission, or if you do something in basketball, they say like you're automatic. It means like it's going to be a for sure shot, right? Okay, so all right, so we've got number one. A blank is an arrangement of people, animals, or items. Did they give it to you? Okay, a formation, right? Okay, number two. When you blank something, you change it to make it better. When you reform something, okay, you change it to make it better. So if we were going to reform our student council, that would mean we would like wipe it out and we would redo it, right? So that okay, to make changes. Okay. When a woman signs a or an blank, she writes her own name. An autograph, right? Okay. So when a woman signs an autograph, she writes her own name. Okay. A blank is a piece of writing about a person's life. A a biography. Good. Biography. So a biography is a piece of writing about a person's life. Number five, a blank is a group of sentences about a topic. A blank is a paragraph is a group of sentences about a topic. So what does the word graph mean? Do you guys know? So graph means to write. So the Greek root word graph means to write. The Latin root form means shape. Okay. All right. I want you guys to do 6 through 10, and then we're going to come back and visit about it in just a minute. Go ahead and do 6 through 10. Okay. We all good? Okay, so number 6. I will write a blank about the Dawn Wall. A paragraph, good. Number 6 would be paragraph. Number 7, Kevin signed his blank for spectators after he completed the climb. Kevin signed his autograph for spectators after he completed the climb. Number 8, the blank of rocks at Razor's Edge is very difficult to climb. The formation, good. Yeah. Fans of free climbing might enjoy reading a blank of Tommy Caldwell's life. A biography. Okay. And number 10, safety advocates might try to blank extreme sports to make them safer. Reform, good. Okay. All right. Good deal. Let's go ahead and get that turned in, page 302.